in the park, it's me and Dark One. Stash a couple lighters for later so we can spark. The young OG, everybody know me. All my niggas hitting in the lead, Saratobi. Breaking nigga ankles for a bad bitch, I'm Kobe. She said she love it when I'm licking her below the Navy. She just wants some dick on a Friday. Gotta hit the hideout underneath the highway.